Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about a new topic. But before we are going to talk about new topic, I want to show you something. What is this? It's a ball, stress ball. I want to squash the ball. What will happen? It will push back. Excellent. We are going to explain it in a new way today. When I squash the ball, this is an action. And when it pushes back, it's a reaction. But I want to ask you a question. This is equal strength or unequal strength? Squashing, pushing back. Super. It's equal in strength. Another question. When I squash the ball and it pushes back, it's in the same direction or in opposite direction. Look at the direction of the squashing, the action, and look at the direction of pushing back. It's in the opposite direction. So, in order to summarize that, for every action, there is reaction, equal in strength and opposite in direction. Doctor, we heard that before in the balanced and unbalanced force. The question, this is balanced or unbalanced force? Super, it's balanced force. But today we are going to say another thing about this issue. For every action, there is reaction, equal in strength and opposite in direction. It's Newton's third law of motion. Oh, can you remember Newton's first law of motion? It talks about super inertia. Newton's second law of motion, it talks about, wow, force equals mass times acceleration. And today, our topic about Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is reaction, equal in strength and opposite in direction. We are going to do it in another way. We can say it in another way. We blow this balloon, okay? And then we are going to leave this balloon. Good. What happened to the balloon? It moves up and then it falls on the floor. Why? Because it again follows Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is reaction, equal in strength and in the opposite direction. So that means we can name Newton's third law of motion action, reaction, forces. Okay? Right now, we are going to see a small thing together. So, what is Newton's third law of motion? For every action, there is reaction, equal in strength and opposite in direction. So we can call Newton's third law of motion action, reaction, forces.